morning. So today we're doing Hey Arnold. Yay! I'm so excited because I've been wanting to do this brunch inspired video probably since I did the Rugrats last year. I got a little sidetracked. I am starting this actually kind of late because I had to do like another video for TikTok. So anyways, I'm just gonna jump right into it. Let's get a time check. What time is it?
It's 2:38 p.m.
It's 2:38 p.m. That's like way too late to be doing this, but anyways, we're gonna go ahead and get started. I would honestly like to be finished by 4, but I think I could be finished by 5. So anyways, let's go ahead and get started. Before I get into the makeup, I kind of want to show y'all like the setup that I have going on. I'm using my DSLR camera because it has a great aperture, but it's the 50mm one, so it's like super zoomed in. So if I'm standing directly in front of it, you would only see this much of me. So what I like to do is have this pointing towards my mirror. So I'm actually like shooting in the mirror, so that way you can see like the room behind and it looks like really cool. I've got my ring light over here, then I've got a backlight back here sitting on the couch, and then I've got another light right here. Ignore all the junk because I've got my like purses, all the accessories that I'm gonna be using. I've got my computer set up. I brought my monitor out here. Like, it's a whole production, okay? So over here, I brought my clothing rack out and I put all of the outfits so that it's like easy access and I don't have to be like running around like a chicken with my head cut off, even though I'm gonna be doing that anyways. But I put all of the clothes on the rack. So we've got Lila's outfit, we've got Arnold, we've got, you know, all the different characters. I'm so excited for Gerald. Y'all have seen this outfit before. I wore this in my WAP Avengers video. I had to bring her back out. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started on the makeup. I haven't really decided on the hair yet. I might do like a half up, half down, or I'll just do like a bun. I have to wear a couple of hats, so I'm thinking if I do like a low bun, it'll make the baseball cap outfit look better than having to like do half up, half down, take that out in the video. Like, can give variety without looking the same. So I'm gonna do a very universal makeup. Does anyone else still use Tatcha? I swear by this primer. It just feels so soft and I never have any issues with my makeup staying on. It could also just be a placebo effect because I'm just so used to using it. I'm like, no, this is what's doing it. Oh, let me take my earrings off for now. I live and breathe for Rihanna Fenty. I am in the Navy. Like, the only thing I don't like about Fenty is I can't see in the bottle to see when I'm out. So I always keep one on deck. I don't think I'll ever go back to any other foundation, to be honest. Use my Tarte. Another holy grail that I swear by. I think I want to do a holy grail video. I did one for hair products back in the day, back when I was like a hair influencer. There was a period of time where I was wearing my natural hair out all the time, but now doing cosplay, it's virtually impossible to like take care of it the way I want to because I'm in wigs every other day, you know what I mean? I used to do twist outs, braid outs, bantu knots. I'm still natural under here. I still have natural hair, but I don't wear it out as much. I try to incorporate natural hairstyles into my cosplays because I just feel like there's, you know, y'all know, lack of representation. So I'm like, wait, no, we can wear braids as Katara. I will wear a fro as Harley Quinn, so. It's funny because I do so many like makeup cosplay videos. I think people think I'm like a trained makeup artist. Maybe you can tell that I'm not, but 4 years ago, I could not do my makeup at all. And now I look at some of the videos that I've done, and I'm like, how did I pull that off? People let me get away with it because performance. Like the genie, like the makeup for that honestly was not that great. It has, I think, 6 million views on YouTube and people are like, oh my God, this is incredible. And I'm like, you like the performance. I'm practicing, I'm getting better. I wish they grew like right here, you know? Like, ugh. I threaded them to death and like, they threaded that so much, that hair said, you want me to come back? No, never. Here we are working with like far apart brows, so I always have to draw them in. How to do it. Eyebrows. Then my go-to like neutral shade is called Antiqued by MAC. And it's like the best neutral shade for my skin tone. And I feel like it goes with any and every outfit. If I'm leaving the house, my friends know that this is the eyeshadow that I'm gonna have on. Every now and then I might switch it up with a color. I might throw a little purple in there, throw a little pink. I always listen to Miley Cyrus while I do my makeup. Under the eye, same shade. This is when the bad bitch comes together, you know? I used to have a really hard time drawing my eyeliner because I have hooded eyes and I want like up so that I look like, what I do is I look straight ahead and draw over the crease. Instead of looking down at a mirror and looking up and it's got like that like check mark shape, you look straight ahead so that you can see exactly how it's gonna look if you're looking at people. That's wetter. That's what she said. L'Oreal telescopic. Something about like the way the lashes just like make my eyes smolder. I already have very specific eyes, so when I put lashes on them, it's just like, come hither. For a long time, pre-2020, I was getting my lashes done because I had to be on camera every day on set. So I was getting my lashes done so that I didn't have to worry about putting on a lash every year or wearing mascara, and it was the best. Oh, it was the best. I can't afford her right now, so yeah, her name is Ariana and she was amazing. Haven't used a different color blush in 10 years. Not even exaggerating. That's been like the shade I've used for 10 years. Let's put the lashes on. I don't know why I started with the left. I usually always go right first and then left, but this is the one I grabbed. So hopefully I don't have any issues. To make sure the corners are pressed down, squeeze them together. Liquid lip gloss and oh baby, dude, it is out. I gotta get another one. Dude, so this is my favorite gold shade ever, and I dropped it and it shattered and it went all over the floor, and I should have picked it up and put it back in, but I put it on my eye, so I was like, oh, I'm gonna be responsible and throw it away. But now she's discontinued it and I'm so mad. It was Pat McGrath Enraptured. Ugh. I have hit pan because it all fell out. So I literally just go around the edges, and I'm gonna use this until I literally can't anymore. Ugh. And I just love putting this like in the corners, and it just like brightens it up. Okay, so then I add a little bit more blush because I'm gonna be on camera and I wanna make sure I have color in my face. Let's put these earrings back on and let's go film part 1. It just hit me just now that I'm like, I could go for some food. Then I'm gonna do the first part with the bunny ears on anyway, so let's go get to it. All right. All right, so we're doing Gerald first. This is outfit number 1. So we're gonna start with this bodysuit, and I'm gonna pair it with some skinny jeans. I wanna wear my red heels, but you can't really see my feet in this. So I'm debating on if I wanna like struggle and put heels on or just kind of have like the concept, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm gonna put this on and I'll be right back. Hey, okay, so I decided to wear the heels for this one. This is the outfit all together. Waist is looking waisty. I have on a girdle. So now we're gonna go ahead and start filming Gerald. By the way, I'm filming this video. I've got a vertical video on my phone next to you guys, and I've got the camera for the actual video. It's just a lot going on for one person to do. So this is just reality. Until I have a team, this is what we're working with. I actually love doing it, so we're getting there. We're getting there. Okay, let's film Gerald. All right, we're moving on to Sid. I love Sid's look now. Okay, so for Harold, let's do a time check. So what time is it?
Good afternoon, Courtney. The time is 4:44 p.m.
It's 4:44. Oh my gosh, okay. I wanna be done by 5. Ah. Beret, top, jean. I'm racing the sun, so I might stop doing these and do just voiceovers for the rest of this. So, because I have 4 more characters to do, so gotta get through it. So what time is it?
Time is 6:05 p.m.
It's 6:05 p.m. I didn't beat the sun, so I'm gonna have to like fix the background in post. So I'm a little bit nervous about that because I didn't do this in front of a green screen. So now I'm gonna edit it. So, but here are the results.